there's, wanted for. So we put it there like as, there's, wanted for. The water, so much so, panted are, sadi. Say you are, don't ask my art. Desire are not long to worship. Alright everyone, this is Samuel Adiola Music here once again, and today I'm going to be showing you a movement that you can do for your moving into from your like a 251, or is it a minor 251, which is your 736 movement that you can do on the key of F sharp. Let's just get right down to it. So basically you're doing this movement. So it is on the key of F sharp. Your 7 is your F, while your 3 is your B flat, and then your 6 is your E flat. So what you have is this movement. This. So 7, 3, 6. So what did I do there? A 7, playing the F, and then on my right hand I've got Z, Do, Fa. And then I did this through D, Do, T, like walking from the sharp 1 to the 7 now. You see? So 7, 3, 6, again. Again. So on the 3, I'm doing this like a walk up from the G to the F, making it diminish. So 7, 3, then. So I'm doing a F drop I'm doing a F sharp major chord dropping into a C sharp major chord. Inverting it. Like, can you see what I'm saying? So again, 7, 3, 6, again, 3, 6, one more time. So what is the goal with this kind of chords? One thing we love to do is do that trio, like it's sweet, right? So let's apply it in a song. Let's apply it actually in a worship kind of groove. You understand? Let's apply it in a worship kind of groove. Yeah. So you've got the song. Then the movement. Again, 7, 7, 3, 6. 7, 3, 6 again. 3. Putting it in a song like this, as the days panted for. As the days panted for. So we put it there like as the days panted for. The water so much so, panted are sadi. heart, my heart. Desire are not long to worship. So don't forget that movement. The movement says that the 7-3-6, which is, yeah, and then to the 6 again, 7, which is your F, coupled with this augmented chord, and then that trio, and then one more time, again, yeah, one more time, again. I hope this helps you. I hope you are able to take some things away. And please don't forget to leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. And anything you want to learn, let me know. Drop it in the comment section. And if you want some bonus tips, like this. See you in the next one.